Hello, welcome to Cook It Simple channel. Today I'm going to make chicken frittata. Come, let's get into the video. Frittata is an Italian dish made fully with eggs, mixed with veggies, paneer and meat. Today I'm going to try it with a minced chicken. I've taken 250 grams of minced chicken, 2 medium size onion finely chopped, 1 tomato finely chopped, 4 teaspoons of red chili powder, 1 teaspoon of garam masala powder, 2 teaspoons of ginger garlic paste, 1 teaspoon of fennel seeds, and I've taken 5 eggs, some butter, 2 teaspoons of chili flakes, 1 teaspoon of oregano, 1 teaspoon of pepper and some mozzarella cheese. I've taken 3 colors bell pepper, green, red and yellow, which has been finely chopped, 2 medium sized onion cut into large pieces and some garlic cloves and some finely chopped spring onions. First I'll heat a kadai and put some oil. After the oil gets heated, I'll add fennel seeds in it. Let the fennel seeds splutters. I'll add some onions in it and stir fry the onions well till it becomes golden brown. Then I'll add some tomatoes and saute it. Then I'll add the ginger garlic paste and then saute it. Now I'm adding the minced meat here. I'll just saute it till the color changes. Now the color has been changed. Now I'm adding the chili powder, garam masala powder. Stir fry it well. Now I'll add the salt in it. I'll pour only little water for this meat to cook. Now I'll mix it well. Then I'll close the vessel with the lid. Then allow it to boil. After 5 minutes, I'll open the lid. Yes, the chicken is cooked well. Now, I'll put some coriander leaves. The chicken should be dry. It should not be in a gravy consistency. Now the minced chicken fry is ready. Now I'm going to use this chicken fry in the frittatas. In a bowl, I've taken 5 eggs. Now I'm adding 1 teaspoon of pepper and some salt for this eggs. And then I'm going to beat it with a whisk. The eggs should be beaten well till the bubbles come. It should be beaten for at least 1 minute. Yes, now the eggs are beaten well. In a pan, I'm going to add some butter and spread it well. Please don't try this frittata in a dosa tawa. Please use this kind of pan. Now I'm adding the garlic cloves in it and then saute it. Now I'm adding the onions and saute it well till the color changes. Now I'm going to add the 3 color bell pepper, red, yellow and green, and saute it. These bell peppers need not be sauteed for a long time. Now I'm going to add the pepper, then a pinch of salt for all these veggies. Already we have added the salt in the eggs, so be careful while adding the salt in it. After sauteing it well, I'm going to add the minced chicken fry in this vegetables. The meat and the veggies are mixed well. I'm going to fully spread this veggies and the meat in the pan. I'm going to add the beaten eggs in a way that the vegetables are synced with the eggs. Now I'm going to add the chili flakes, oregano and some grated mozzarella cheese. Now finally I'm going to add the spring onions and then close the pan. Stove should be put in the low flame and then it should be closed like this for at least 10 to 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, I'm going to open the pan. I'm going to poke the frittata with a knife. See, the knife is very clear. This shows that the frittata is ready. After the frittatas has been cooled down for 1 minute, I'm going to remove it from the pan. I'm going to put the pan upside down in the plate so that the frittatas comes into the plate. Now again I'm going to cover it with a plate and turn it once again. Now the frittatas has been placed properly now. Yeah, the yummy frittatas are ready now. I'm going to cut it with a knife. You can use the pizza cutter also. I don't have pizza cutter, so I'm using the knife. See, the frittata has been boiled very nicely. Now the frittatas are ready to serve hot with tomato sauce. If you like this recipe, please like, share, subscribe and comment for my channel.